What's up, you guys? It's your boy MX3 Saxby, and I'm here again for another video. Last night I got home like around 2:30. It's about like 7 something right now. I'm completely exhausted. Still looking fresh though. I forgot what I was gonna say. So today's a big day. I'm very prepared for this. I'm very tired, and then the camera kind of got me off guard because I had to start recording something. So second video on the channel. I'm gonna go get this car. It's a reality right now. It's really happening. I'm gonna go get this car. Now, right now, like I said, I'm waiting for my friend Chris. My girlfriend has to sleep, so she's not gonna come with us this time. But it's gonna happen. But waiting for this moment for like 2 weeks, and I've been dreaming about it. Yeah. Okay. So he's gonna come over right now. He's coming in this 5.0 Mustang, so I'm gonna show you and give you all the tour of what's up in his place. Also, too, my friend Nemo's coming with me. He wants to come, just to come. I don't know the demographic, if that's how you're gonna say it, of this channel, but I will try not to cuss as much or show you guys some of the stuff that I do. Cause I'm a troublemaker. So the day has come. The car is on its way, and as promised, here is Chris's sexy ass 5.0. Oh, and this is bitch ass Nemo. Say what's up. You're gonna be on YouTube, man. People are gonna love you. What do you got there, Chris? Oh, we're gonna switch over to the GoPro like that? I told these people I was ghetto and that I don't have GoPros like that. Right now, where are we going? We're now gonna head to El Monte. But first, I was thinking maybe I could pick up some tools. So a little teardown for these people right here. It's the racer right here. Alright, the munchies, the food.
Any condiments?
Ranch and ketchup, please. Oh shit. Oh, alright. Nemo, you hold this one between your legs? Alright. And what is this one? What's this one?
One's Coke and one's Salt Pepper. Our pepper should have the little button like tapped inside.
Oh shit. That's some Nemo shit right there. Here. Oh.
Yeah, that's the reason why we got it.
Just right there, like bam, real quick. Just don't accelerate all hard. Thank you. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Go. Yeah, she gave me a fucking straw, bro. Don't be fucking questioning her. Whoa.
Why you always feeling like burnt out?
It's because that's how he is, bro. When you own a 5.0 Mustang.
That's how it is when it's like a fucking Mustang.
That's how it is when you own a fucking Mustang, you know? Oh, that's a blind ass corner right there. Oh, fuck. Look at that shit. You ain't be driving with fucking.
Don't burn out here because they just always crash into a fucking Porsche.
Shut the fuck up. Not all Mustangs fucking. Not all Mustang drivers swerve. But against Chris is 1 point because he crashed his other one.
I didn't crash it. They crashed me. I'll get that shit right.
Alright.
Don't get that shit twisted, boys.
My bad, pussies.
That shit right, nigga.
Here. Oh shit. Oh yeah.
He was like, Lawrence. Yeah, pick up.
Timo can suck the young. Yep. We got Chris's 5.0 right here. That shit is clean. Very tall man right there. That shit is clean. We came to Lowe's today to buy some tools because my dumbass doesn't have tools. I had a little set, but it isn't what I need for this task I'm about to embark on. So we came to Lowe's. Lowe's, thanks for having a really cheap mechanic piece set for a young little Mexican boy to buy. Hey, good morning. Huh? So, tools, hardware, home decor. Tools, yeah? And let's get tools. Bottle zone. No, I think it's this one right here. No. Nah. This is tool. Oh, it's over here. So we came to get my tools and they couldn't fucking find it. It was all the way like all the way up there, like all the way up there, like all the way on the top, all the way up there. He was like, "Oh, found it," and it's in boxes right now. He's gonna have to cut it open and take one out. So we got through some bullshit, but we're back on track now. All right, you guys, it's happening. I'm actually about to pull up right now to the car. We went through so much stress at Lowe's. Trying right here, turn left here. You can get in there. And there she is, boys. Ooh, just what I was looking for. Yes, that is what I. Oh, she looks so good. I'll show you. Anyone, you think they're ready for the big review or not?
Maybe.
What do you think, Chris? They're in it to win it right now.
No.
They're not ready for the Mazda.
No.
I want to show it to y'all, but I don't know if I should. And here she is. Woo! Oh, hold on. I'll get all up in her guts. It's okay, I'll clean it up. I got Mabel for that. Yes.
You got who for that?
I got Mabel for that.
No, that's you.
Oh, wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple one. Single cam. Oh, no. When I'm done with her, it's going to be all
Dirty?
No, you changed the alternator, huh? Like that. He said, yeah, like not so sure though. You changed the timing belt too?
Yeah, I had to, but that's why it's all done.
And the water pump too, right?
Yeah.
Damn, okay, so I'll send you the money right now. You mind?
Yeah, dude, it's already yours.
Yeah, no, thank you. Appreciate that.
Yeah, it's your weight to carry now.
Yeah. Oh, it's my burden. This was what I was afraid of. The mass airflow sensor. This is the one that like I saw on the line, and this is just a regular 1.6. It looks like it's leaking some kind of oil from somewhere. I'm gonna have to find that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You can't drive at night.
It's okay.
And I hope you don't like letting people know where you're going.
Because the turn signals don't work either.
It's okay.
Alright, so take me in a walk around. Take me in a walk around.
Like you see,
One flat tire, see that? Two flat.
someone hit me here. 2 flat tire. Yeah, true.
Well, the bumper's gonna jam out.
Semi flat. I love flat. Yeah, you know who it is.
And the wing, when did you lose the wing?
It came separately. It wasn't in the box.
They took it out professionally though.
Nah, I know.
Whoever stole it from you knew what's up.
Right?
It's an expensive piece.
And that's another problem.
What? Oh, the bolt? Oh, I could take that off. I don't mind. I can find that.
I think I have the key.
Yeah.
Where were you?
Alright.
I thought that one was the one that was flat.
Open it up. Let me see the inside.
I Have you opened her? Oh no, you can't document that.
Why not? I need to. I don't care.
Like use condoms in there and shit.
Yeah, dude. You can't go in there. Yeah, you wanna put on a hazmat suit and go in there and like.
Is it still turned on?
Right now it's not turned on. It's been off. Like for 2 weeks. I don't turn it on regularly, so that was the problem.
Mm.
So it's gonna need a jumper, like push start.
Yeah.
It has a donor right there.
But that
wrong one.
we need the key.
On the bottle. That one doesn't need a key, does it?
Yeah.
It does?
Mhm.
Oh, it's
Oh, does he? Let's see. Oh, he does. Look at. You have the key, Chris?
Thank you for it.
Oh my God, you would be a lifesaver right now. I could probably change these 2 tires right now.
You want to buy a tire?
And a jack. I won't. Oh no, it's gonna take too long.
What do you mean?
You ready for an adventure again? Guess what happened to me at Lowe's? No, just guess. I went to go buy I went to go buy a 135-piece mechanic tool set.
And they were out of stock.
And no, they said they had 4 in stock, but when I went to go like check it out,
They didn't have any.
they didn't have any.
You
And I made their ass look for that shit.
No, but you should have called.
I made their ass look for that shit. Oh, let me see.
He
See.
wants to make sure it's the right one.
If he doesn't say.
Damn, and it's the same design too.
You can buy it, just buy it, no?
That's what I was trying to do. Like buy a whole new set, but the guy was like, I don't know if that would work. And when she opened it, you can't turn it. It's like, fuck you.
I just don't know.
Oh yeah, you know.
I was there with you, remember?
So there you go.
The body's gonna need work. You know what? Honestly, dude, this it has hope. It has hope. The front ones don't, but the back ones do. Oh my God.
She's gonna be like, mijo, ¿dónde está tu? Oh, nah, dude.
The stickers I was talking about. All right, here she is, boys. Oh, and she's missing the window regulators, the knobs, and they're all eating up because this we just got pinzas and it was just like lowering them with pinzas. That was the reason. Hey, modelo sponsors. Give me a sec. First start up, Chris. Comes a mess. Don't film it, put it right here like that. So everything seems to be cool. Turning on. Let's see if we can get it going.
Nice.
It still turns on, boys. It still turns on. Nice. Let's go. Here she is, running. Look at take it back over, yeah? Pouting some kind of white smoke. Maybe just excess oil since it's been out for a while. What do you think about the engine, Neil?
Nice and fine.
I would probably just it's your first time rep?
We should see the inside of his hat.
Success. Let's go check it out. Why didn't you press one? Where's the paper?
It just says that it's too much emission. Like it runs too accelerated. You can hear it.
Oh.
Yeah, like if it idled slower, maybe it passed. But I think it just. Damn, dude. You pull any money?
No way, bro. That's the wrong way. Look, boys. The project car is up. Don't know what else to say. Excites that it turns on still. Not excites that it has this little problem. We'll fix it. $200. Good investment.
I think so.
See you guys next time. Well, boys, we did it. Here we go. My 1993 Mazda MX3. Ready to go. I'm so happy, so blessed. Now let's get this fucking project going.